Is one of your Android apps crashing again and again? It opens for a second and then suddenly closes? Don't worry, you are not alone. And the good news is you do not need to factory reset your phone. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through every possible fix that works in most cases. Just follow along carefully. Let's start with the most common and easiest fix, clearing the app's cache. First, open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. On some phones, it may say Manage Apps or See All Apps. Tap on that to view the complete list of installed apps. Now scroll and find the app that keeps crashing. For example, let's say you're having trouble with the Google Play Store. Tap on the app name to open its app info page. Here, you'll see several options like storage, permissions, notifications, mobile data, and battery. Tap on Storage. Inside Storage, you'll see two important buttons, Clear Cache and Clear Data. First, tap on Clear Cache. Clearing cache removes temporary files that may be corrupted. These files help apps load faster, but sometimes they get damaged and cause the app to crash. Don't worry, clearing cache does not delete your personal data. Once you clear the cache, go back to your home screen and try opening the app again. In many cases, the problem is fixed right here. If the app is still crashing, don't worry, we'll move to the next step. Go back to Settings, then Apps, then select the problematic app, then Storage again. This time, tap on Clear Data or Clear All Data. Now remember, clearing data will reset the app completely. That means you may need to log in again, and the app will return to its default state, just like when you first installed it. Confirm the action, then try opening the app again. If it opens and works fine, great, problem solved. But if it's still crashing, the issue might not be the app itself. It could be your phone's software. So now let's check for a system update. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on About Phone. Look for Software Update or System Update. Tap on it and check if any update is available. If you see an update, download and install it. Sometimes apps crash because they are not fully compatible with an older Android version. Updating your device fixes bugs, improves stability, and resolves compatibility issues. After updating your phone, restart it. Even if there's no update available, I still recommend restarting your device. A simple restart refreshes the system, clears temporary glitches, and stops background processes that might be interfering with the app. Now, once your phone turns back on, try opening the app again. If it still crashes, don't worry, we're not done yet. Go back again to Settings, then Apps, then select the problematic app. Tap on Storage, and once again, press Clear All Data to ensure everything is completely reset. After that, go back to the app info page and tap Uninstall. This will completely remove the app from your phone. Once it's uninstalled, open the Google Play Store, search for the app again, and install it fresh. Reinstalling the app gives you a completely clean version without corrupted files or broken updates. After installing, open the app before logging in to see if it runs smoothly. In most cases, one of these steps will definitely fix the crashing issue. Now, here's a quick recap. First, clear cache. Second, clear data. Third, check for system updates. Fourth, restart your device. Fifth, uninstall and reinstall the app. And the best part, you didn't need to factory reset your phone or lose your important data. App crashes are usually caused by corrupted cache files, outdated software, or buggy updates, and these steps target all of those problems safely. If this helped you fix your issue, make sure to share it with someone who might be facing the same problem. And remember, always try these steps before thinking about a factory reset. That's it. Your Android should now be running smoothly again.